1966 Ford Mustang just came in on trade. Previous owner just spent over $18,000. Engine, trans, exhaust work. We have that all documented as well. Beautiful, kind of like a red orangish paint on the car. Black vinyl top, dual exhaust, 289 engine. Check out the engine compartment. It will need a side mirror. You can order that from Jex for like 40 bucks. So you will need to have that installed. Here's your 289 electric choke, brand new motor, manifolds, aluminum radiator, air conditioning, power disc. Really, really clean, very reliable. Nice black interior, door jambs are nice. Real C code car. Odometer showing a little bit over 40,000. Wipers function. Horn, it does not work, guys. Just keep that in mind. Radio will.
41.
Oh, radio does work. It does blow cold air. Turn signals work. Yes, they do. All right. Brand new transmission as well. Go for a little test drive in the Pony. Bear with me here. Let me just get out of this tight parking lot. I forgot my plate. Hold on. Dash pad has some waves in it, but again, we're not asking $40,000 for it either, guys. It's a respectful price. All right. If you're looking for a nice Pony, nice paint with air conditioning, disc brakes, I think you found it. Speedo works, all the gauges seem to function. Really, really nice and smooth as well. Brakes feel great on the car. All right. We're gonna do a U-turn here and get back to the dealership. Let the guys go. Alrighty. MGM is located in Addison, Illinois. If you need financing or delivery, text me 847-848-1850. Guys and gals, MGMClassicCars.com has over 225 cars. You can check us out online. Have a great day.